For investors seeking income, the good and the bad news is that there's plenty of choice. To help investors narrow down the playing field, here's a brief whistle-stop tour of the available options. The main two equity fund types are UK equity income and global equity income. Due to the rich dividend heritage in the UK, there are higher yields on offer here. Most UK equity income funds currently yielding between 3.5% and 5%. Global equity income funds offer lower income, typically 3% to 4%. The returns differ because global funds tend to have a larger amount of their portfolio in US shares, which have lower yields than the UK. There are also regional income funds. There's US, Europe, Japan, Asia Pacific, and emerging market options. With bond funds, there are also various options. These include government bond funds, corporate bond funds, high yield bond funds, and emerging market debt funds. There are also strategic bond funds, which have the freedom to invest in any bond type, and in general, the lower the bond fund yield, the less risky the strategy is. Investors looking for a one-stop fund solution that provides an income through investing in both bonds and shares could consider multi-asset income funds. There are other income-producing investments outside of shares and bonds. The main ones are property, infrastructure, and renewable energy. There are many funds that invest in these areas. For investors looking to invest in their first income fund, a multi-asset approach offers instant diversification, so less risk. Because these funds invest in both shares and bonds, Artemis monthly distribution, which yields just over 4.5%, is one possible option. It is a member of Interactive Investor's Super 60 list of rated funds. A passive option, also a member of our Super 60 list, is Vanguard FTSE UK Equity Income, which has a yield of over 5%. It follows the up and down fortunes of UK dividend paying shares that are expected to pay dividends that are typically higher than average. Our Super 60 list has many more income fund options across all of the main regions. Check out ii.co.uk to find out more. Once you've decided where and what you would like to invest in, you need to decide whether you want or need the income paid to you. If this is the case, select the income share class. Just look out for the option with INC at the end of the fund name. If you would like the dividends automatically reinvested in the fund, select the share class that has AC at the end. AC stands for accumulation.